Strong every day. Simple daily exercises that work. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for a simple way to get stronger, healthier, and more energetic every single day without needing fancy gym equipment? If yes, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful yet easy-to-follow daily exercise routine that really works. These moves will help you build muscle, improve posture, and boost stamina, all from the comfort of your home. So stick around till the end, and let's get stronger together. Every day. Why daily exercise matters. Before we jump into the routine, let's quickly talk about why daily exercise is so important. Many people think strength only comes from lifting heavy weights at the gym. But the truth is, your body already has everything it needs to become stronger. By practicing simple bodyweight exercises consistently, you can build lean muscles, improve balance, and keep your heart healthy. Daily exercise is more than just fitness. It's about better energy, a sharper mind, and long-term health. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day is enough to see noticeable changes. And the best part, you don't need special equipment, just your body, a small space, and the willpower to move every single day. So now, let's get into the exercises that will make you stronger, step by step. Exercise 1. Push-ups, upper body strength. The first move on our list is the push-up. This classic exercise works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. To perform a standard push-up, place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width on the floor, keep your body in a straight line, and slowly lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground. Then push back up. If you're a beginner, don't worry. You can start with wall push-ups or knee push-ups. Aim for 8 to 12 reps daily and gradually increase as you get stronger. Push-ups may look simple, but they're one of the fastest ways to build a powerful upper body, without weights. Exercise 2. Squats, lower body power. Next up, we have squats, the king of lower body exercises. Squats target your legs, glutes, and hips, while also improving mobility. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees, as if you're sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your chest up and back straight. Then push through your heels to stand back up. Start with 12 to 15 reps daily. If you want to make it harder, try holding the squat at the bottom for 2 to 3 seconds before coming up. Squats not only make your legs stronger, but also boost core stability and balance, making them one of the best exercises for overall strength. Exercise 3. Plank, core stability. Now, let's focus on the core with the plank. A strong core is essential for good posture, injury prevention, and overall body strength. To perform a plank, get into a push-up position but rest on your forearms. Keep your elbows directly under your shoulders, your back straight, and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds if you're a beginner, and slowly work your way up to 1 minute or more. Planks may seem simple, but they're incredibly effective. They don't just train your abs, they strengthen your back, shoulders, and stabilizing muscles too. Doing them daily will give you a strong and steady foundation for all other movements. Exercise 4. Lunges, balance, and coordination. Fourth on our list is the lunge, a fantastic exercise for strengthening your legs while improving balance and coordination. To do it, stand tall, then take a step forward with one leg. Lower your body until both knees are at about 90 degrees. Push back up to standing and repeat on the other leg. Lunges target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. They also help correct muscle imbalances between your left and right leg. Aim for 10 reps on each leg daily. If you're a beginner, hold on to a chair or wall for support. With time, lunges will not only make your legs stronger, but also help you move more gracefully in daily life. Exercise 5. Jumping jacks, cardio, and energy boost. Now, let's get that heart pumping with jumping jacks. This simple cardio exercise improves circulation, strengthens your heart, and boosts endurance. Start by standing tall with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs and lifting your arms overhead, then return to the starting position. Continue at a steady pace for 30 to 60 seconds. Jumping jacks are great for warming up and for burning calories quickly. Plus, they add a fun and energetic element to your routine. Even just a minute of daily jumping jacks can increase stamina and improve your mood, making you feel more energized for the rest of the day. Exercise 6. Glute bridge, lower back and core. Let's finish with the glute bridge, which targets your lower back, hips, and glutes. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms at your sides, then press through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top, hold for a second, and slowly lower down. Do 12 to 15 reps daily. This exercise is perfect for anyone who spends long hours sitting, as it strengthens the posterior chain and helps reduce back pain. Over time, glute bridges will improve your posture, protect your spine, and give you a stronger, more balanced lower body. Cool down and stretching. After finishing your workout, don't skip stretching. A 5-minute cool down with stretches for your legs, arms, and back helps release tension and prevents stiffness. Stretching daily also improves flexibility and reduces the risk of injuries. Think of it as giving your muscles a reward after hard work. And there you have it. 6 simple daily exercises that really work to make your body stronger, healthier, and more energetic. Remember, the key is not doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up every day. Even 15 minutes of consistent effort can completely change your body and your mindset. So start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every bit of progress. Strong doesn't happen overnight, but with these daily exercises, you'll get stronger every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple fitness tips you can do at home. Share this video with a friend who wants to get stronger too. Let's build a community of healthy, active people, one day at a time. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.